Replacing the key fob battery in a 2012-2013 Hyundai Elantra is straightforward. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool and a CR 2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, costing around $2 to $5. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob near the metal key end. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry open the plastic case, being careful not to crack it. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR 2032 battery in the same orientation. Finally, snap the case back together securely. Working in a dry environment is recommended to avoid short-circuiting the electronics. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need to be resynced. Insert the key into the ignition and quickly cycle it from off to accessory and back to off 10 times within 10 seconds. Then, press the lock button on the fob. This should reset the system. Mechanics recommend using reputable battery brands like Duracell for longer life. If you are still running into problems, remember improper resyncing can cause issues. To prevent damage, use anti-static precautions. If you'd prefer a professional to handle the replacement, a dealership will likely charge around $40 to $60 for the service.